Welcome to the new YouTube channel for day 278. This was the 4th of June, 2023, a Sunday. So I did exercise, I worked on books, I worked on Remote Wellness Academy, and I did insurance. My gratitude of the day goes out to, who did I say that my gratitude was going to go out to? My gratitude's going out to the mailman, the mail, people who deliver the mail. We have a really excellent mailman who services our area. He's very patient. He's delivering all these books to me. Provided a bin for me to use, and just an awesome person, really good at his job. I'm really grateful for him and all the people who work in the Postal Service. Thank you. I'm very grateful. So that's it for day 278. Let me know comments, questions, thoughts. I would even, right now, if somebody wanted to leave some hate comments, or something, not hate comments, but if they wanted to leave some nasty messages, even a mean tweet is better than no tweet, so no hate comments, but anything critical, yeah, I'd even take a critical remark like, hey, you're a loser, something that would just help the algorithm out. So anyway, thanks very much for watching, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.